As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two Char-Broil grills, and I'm a bit torn. One's the Performance Series 4-burner, and the other is the 1-burner portable. Big difference, right?
Huge! It really depends on what you need. The 4-burner is a full-sized grill, while the 1-burner is all about portability.
Yeah, I see that. The 4-burner has 475 square inches of cooking space, enough for like 24 burgers. The portable one? Only 240. Good for maybe 10 burgers, it said?
Exactly. Think about how often you're cooking for a crowd. If it's just you, or maybe a small family, the portable one might be perfect. Plus, it's only 21.3 pounds. The other one is a hefty 85 pounds.
Wow, yeah, that's a big difference. What about power? I noticed the BTU ratings are different.
The 4-burner cranks out 36,000 BTUs, while the portable one has 9,500. That means the big one heats up faster and gets hotter. But, and this is important, the portable one uses less fuel.
Ah, okay. So the 4-burner is better for searing steaks, maybe?
Definitely. And it's got a side burner, too, for sauces or sides. The portable one doesn't have that.
What about the grates? Are they the same?
Both have porcelain-coated grates, which are good for rust resistance and easy cleaning. The 4-burner has cast iron grates, which retain heat better and give you those nice grill marks. The portable one has wire grates, which are lightweight.
Okay, that makes sense. Price-wise, the portable one is much cheaper. I see it for around $88, while the 4-burner is closer to $370.
Yeah, big price jump. Consider your budget and how often you'll actually use the extra features of the bigger grill. If you're mostly grilling on the go, the portable one is a no-brainer. But if you want a full-featured grill for backyard barbecues, the 4-burner is the way to go.
This is helpful, thanks. So bigger is better, but portability and price are important factors. I need to think about my grilling habits.
Exactly. Happy grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.